What is the vibe, what is it happening, and what is the whole scenes all here? Welcome back to my channel for another video. And if you're new here to my channel, welcome to the Leigh-Leigh family. It's only vibes over here, people. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. So today, people, we are going to do a mixture, and this mixture is to get rid of cellulite. Now I have done some research on this mixture, and turns out it works. So all the hot gal and them who want to walk out in the swimsuit, well, the beaches and the rivers are closed, but when they open back here now, it's legs. It's only the legs we're showing. Only legs. Anyway, so I'm gonna show you guys how I made my DIY cellulite removal scrub, and I will also demonstrate how I apply it to my legs. A little bit of action. Yes. So don't go no way. Come on, get in the kitchen. Let we go. Okay, so guys, these 4 ingredients in front of me is the sugar, ground coffee, coconut oil, and glycerin, and my mixing bowl. So I'm gonna combine these ingredients together to achieve my cellulite scrub. So guys, I really did not measure. Okay, Mr. Bikeman, I really did not measure, but I just choting. So what I will tell you is just a choting and mix it together. It's according to how much you want to make. Okay, so I'm gonna have my glycerin going in there. Now my coconut oil to bring my ingredients together, and you're gonna mix these ingredients until everything is together. And you want to mix. Okay guys, so you want to ensure that everything is even and has a very nice consistency. Oh my gosh, guys, this feels so amazing. I can't wait to put this on my thighs. Like, oh my gosh. And it smells really good too. Like, I'm being very honest. Trust and believe me, guys. This is it. The holy grail. This homemade remedy shot. So guys, I'm gonna show you how I applied it to my legs. I placed a little bit of the scrub in my hand, and I'm going to place it on my legs. I am going to massage my thighs in circular motions. Guys, this feels so good. I'm not gonna lie. You'll need to get at this scrub, man. Get in the kitchen and make your scrub. It feels so good, and you want to do this twice a week. Trust and believe, you'll see results in no time. Yep. So guys, this is it. I'm gonna wash it off and pat with my towel. I'm gonna do my post notification shout out now. My post notification shout out goes to Tyrese Montano. Tyrese, big up yourself, and thank you very much. Big up your whole self. Alright, so guys, that was the end of my video. If you guys enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment section. Let me know if you guys have any other DIY remedies or anything else, whether it's facial scrub, lip scrub, whatever it is. Let's have a chat and tell me if you all tried this remedy and it worked. I know it worked, no. It got work. Trust me now. Trust me. Anyway, yeah guys, so thank you for watching my video. Follow me on all social, Samantha Charles, and my business page, Creative Leigh Designs, on Instagram. Okay, bye guys. Mwah.
yeah, yeah, yeah.